everything will learn. So you got my point, right? So basics of digital marketing. First we will start SEM. In SEM also SEO will learn, and local SEO tools, content marketing, blogging, and content writing. In SEO again, subject wise you will learn on-page SEO and off-page SEO and this thing, so technical SEO. So this is a completely SEO part. In SEM, search engine marketing, another second point is Google Ads. Okay, so this is completely organic marketing.
Okay, SEO.
Campaign, we have a lot of campaign. So here search campaign is there, display campaign is there, and YouTube ads is there. Everything you learn from practical, and we will give you budget. We will give you budget. You can apply budget and you can make a list. Okay, and here, so this is paid ads, this is the organic marketing. Okay, you understand, right? So whatever you done WordPress website and everything, you will apply all campaigns. So this is the search engine marketing, and here third one is graphic designing. You learn graphic designing anyway. Before social media, you must learn how to design a social media post, and how to design a pamphlet and poster design like that. So like that you can learn poster design, social media post design, everything you learn, because you need to learn this one, because you need to work on social media marketing also. So after that, here video editing you learn.
Video editing also?
Yes, video editing, Premiere Pro you learn software.
Okay.
Premiere Pro here you learn Photoshop and Illustrator you learn. Got my point, right? So many institutes are teaching Canva, but here we teaching Photoshop and Illustrator to make a design and everything. Okay, and here Premiere Pro you can learn Reels editing, YouTube video editing. You can check it our Instagram videos. That way you can learn editing. Okay, and after that, social media marketing you learn. Social media marketing, we have so many platforms. Okay, Facebook is there, Instagram is there. So these two you learn meta ads. That means you can manage advertisement, post and everything in meta only. In this meta you learn. Okay, after that YouTube ads you learn. YouTube ads it will come here only. Google ads only it will come, but here you will learn how to maintain channel. Okay, how to do post, how to make a videos, everything you learn here. Okay, and you learn Pinterest also. Pinterest in the sense you learn how to create a pins, how to generate traffic from Pinterest. Here no need any advertisement, but here you can generate traffic and pins you can do. Okay, and Twitter you learn. So Twitter all campaigns you learn. Okay, and LinkedIn you learn two way. One is organic growth and paid ads also. And here Meta is there, na? In Meta you learn lead generation, and you can generate calls, branding, remarketing, and retargeting also. Both are different. Okay, retargeting also through pixels you can learn. Okay, and so after that we will give you 500 something. We give the budget, so you can work live campaign and make a leads also for our agency or whatever things. Okay, so this is the social media. And email marketing you will learn. So how to do email marketing, do paid campaigns and free tools also we can use. Okay, affiliate marketing, and blogging, everything you'll learn. So optional only. If you want to go job, no need this too. Otherwise, you can learn this one.
No, I don't want to go to job.
Okay, you can learn this affiliate marketing and blogging also. Then 95 plus AI tools you know. Okay, we will give you LMS access also. LMS access in the sense whatever you learn here, all videos will be recorded and given to you.
Okay.
So future purpose, you can log in and see, you can see the video. Suppose if you miss the classes also, the same classes it will be recorded and you can go through the LMS access. Okay, so these things we can give. And resume building. Resume building and 2 exam we have, written exam. Okay, and 6 certification you will get. Placement is whatever you have, we will provide the placement assistance also. Okay, so these things you will learn. Any doubts?